Bakit nga ba madaling sabihin pero mahirap gawin? Mahirap kasi karamihan walang goals. Financially, kung wala kang goal, ipon ka lang ng ipon, nakakapagod siya. Nasubukan nyo na bang tumakbo pero wala kayong destination? Di ba nakakapagod? Before kayo mag-start mag-ipon, kailangan nyong i-identify ano ba yung goal nyo, bakit ba kayo nag-iipon. So, meron ka dapat short-term goal, tsaka long-term. Short-term, pwede siyang under 3 months. Long-term, ito na yung years. So, paano ba mag-set ng goal? Una, dapat makatotohanan. Second, it should be achievable. Dapat quantifiable. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Kailangan may kasama siyang peso value. So, kunyari sasabihin mo na, in 2025, I want to get married. Ano yung realistic version na yon? Nag-propose na ba? Achievable. Pasok ba sa budget nyo? Quantifiable. I want to get married with a budget of 200,000. Yun, ganun siya. And then, it should have a time frame. So, ang sample na goal is I want to buy a car, a Veloz, and the car is worth 900k, and I want to buy the car in the next 2 years. Yan. So, malinaw siya. Papasok siya ngayon sa long-term goal mo. Now, your long-term goal can be a series of short-term goals. So, kunyari, 900,000, di ba? So, pwedeng 6 months, kunyari, you can earn or save up 100k. And then, in 9 months, 200k. Para makikita mo yung milestones at papalapit ka na sa goal mo. So, paano naman yung nagsasabi na I deserve to reward myself. Deserve ko to. Huwag niyo kalimutan that achieving your goal is a reward in itself. Deserve mo ding ma-achieve yung goal mo. So, give yourself a chance to at least try. Yun lang.